Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm touching on something a little different. Today, I'm talking about money and relationships. I think we can all agree that the most important things in life are relationships. More important than money when it comes down to it, yet financial security plays a vital role in supporting and nurturing these relationships. By prioritising financial well-being, individuals, couples and families can create a stable foundation that allows their relationships to flourish. Financial planning and security are not the ends in themselves, but are means to enrich relationships, foster personal growth and achieve shared dreams. So it's important to prioritise financial security as a foundation for flourishing relationships. But how do you get the balance right? How do you avoid being so caught up with building financial security that you lose sight of why you are doing it? Whether you're managing a company or just trying to balance work and family, financial stability is the key to a harmonious life. So let's dive into some practical tips that can make a real difference. It all starts with open and honest communication about finances. Sit down regularly with your partner or family members to discuss your financial situation, set clear goals and address any concerns. Transparency builds trust and ensures that everyone is aligned. You need to agree on shared financial goals that reflect both personal and business aspirations, whether it's buying a new home, expanding the business, or planning for retirement. Setting clear goals together helps provide direction for your financial decisions. It's a good idea to develop a budget that considers both business and personal finances. Track your spending and make adjustments as needed. A well-structured budget helps manage resources effectively and reduces financial stress. It feels so much better if you've established a financial safety net for both your personal and your business needs. So start small and aim to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. This provides so much peace of mind during unforeseen circumstances, and it ensures stability when you need it most. It's never too early to begin saving and investing for retirement, so take advantage of being able to make employer pension contributions and regularly review your strategy. Planning for the future shows commitment to long-term well-being and ensures you can enjoy life without financial worries. Acknowledge and celebrate your financial achievements together. Whether it's reaching a savings goal or paying off debt, celebrating milestones reinforces positive habits and encourages continued progress. If you implement these practical tips, you can establish a solid financial foundation that supports and embraces your relationships. Remember, financial security isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about creating a stable environment where your relationships can thrive, free from the stress of financial worries. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments about this topic, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.